A very cheerful hello to everyone. I'm Tanvisht here from class 10 of Himalayan English School, Ghansali. Firstly, I'm very thankful to my teachers who selected me for this occasion to speak my own words. Firstly, what is Guru Purnima? We all know that Guru Purnima is a special and important day, special day for every teacher. The day or the Guru Purnima is also known as Vyasa Purnima because it marks the birthday of Ved Vyas, who is one of the most knowing and knowledgeable Hindu spiritual and academic teacher. It is very spiritual tradition in Hindu culture dedicated to academic and spiritual teachers who are evolved and or enlightened the humans to share their wisdom with very little and no monetary expectations based on Karma Yoga. Our teachers help us as well as in studies, but also help in living our life by giving many life lessons which help us to live our life in a smooth and better way, and they also teaches us how to face the problems of life, which is very important in every life, in every person's life, to face every problem. Additionally, our school organizes a workshop in which our Bobby sir was in charge. Many students participated, including me. In that workshop, we learned many things, and we also learned the things which new things which we do not know before that. This workshop is started from 9 May to 14 June. After that, a new workshop had been organized, nature workshop, in which many students participated, also including me. In that workshop, we are learning about nature. What is nature? How to love the nature and save the nature. Thus, again, I am thanking our teachers to help us in many difficulties. Thank you.